Okay, Gemini, let's see what exciting things are happening to you in the next 30 days from the time na mapanood nyo ang reading na to. This is a general reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. Like, share, subscribe, turn on post notifications para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang. So, let's see exciting things happening in the next 30 days for Gemini. 9 of Wands. Meron kang ipaglalaban. Kahit nahihirapan ka na, you will stay in that situation. Siguro kasi alam mo na may patutunguhan yung pinaglalaban mo. This can be your relationship, your family, your career, yung business mo. So, you remain focused. And ito kasing 9 of Wands is strength, lakas, no? Lakas ng loob. Hindi lang siya physical strength but also yung courage, no? Na magpatuloy kahit nahihirapan ka na. You have the King of Pentacles. This is a feminine energy. I think you're going to be more creative. Yan. Exciting yan kasi itong mga pinaghihirapan mo ngayon, ginugugulan mo ng oras, panahon, blood, sweat, and tears, kumbaga. This is going to be worth it. Kung ano man to, career mo, business, no? Mahirap siya, pero in the long run, ikaw rin na magbe-benefit dito. King of Pentacles is stability. So, stability in your relationship, stability in your career. You have the Two of Wands. I think yung iba may opportunity to work abroad, to travel, to have yung business sa ibang bansa, no? Pakikipagnegosyo sa ibang bansa. And finally, you are choosing. Yung iba kasi pwedeng meron rin kayong mga pinagpipilian pa na gusto nyong subukan, gawin, and now meron kang napili na. And you are very optimistic, no? Positibo yung pananaw mo dyan. Yung iba, meron kayong hinihintay. May hinihintay kayo na pwedeng, it's like an opportunity na sinubukan mo. Pwedeng may apply ka. Okay? And an exciting thing dito is, maaring yung hinahanap mo na tanong or sagot sa tanong mo, andyan na, makikita mo na. You have the 9 of Pentacles, so financial independence. Some of you, yung pipiliin yung career, situation, this will bring you financial stability. Pwedeng yung partner mo, nagsistay ka sa partner mo kasi sinusuportahan mo siya sa mga ginagawa niya. Although, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng kayo ay nagre-rely sa partner ninyo. Pero yung support na yon, ma-acknowledge yun ng partner nyo na hindi niya siya iniwan hanggang dulo. At makikita nyo yung pinagpaguran niya. No? Kumbaga, hindi lang para sa kanya yon, para sa iyo rin yon kasi ikaw rin sumuporta ka sa kanya. Some of you naman, maaring yung work or career ninyo ngayon, this is going to give you or bring you a lot of income. Financial independence yung iba sa inyo. Kaya nyong alagaan yung sarili nyo. Like, i-provide yung mga needs ninyo. You have the Moon. The Moon is about secrets. The Moon is about sensitive energy kasi to about you, about the deeper side of you. I think mas lalo mong i-discover pa yung iyong passion sa buhay. What makes you feel good, what makes you feel connected to your higher self. And with the Six of Wands, this is success. So for some of you Gemini, maaring meron kayong ipupursue na career path or bagong opportunity na nakita ninyo na dun kayo mas interested. Yung iba kahit natatakot, no? Or minsan kasi kapag may bago, nakakatakot na i-explore. Okay? But this is going to be worth it for you. With the Six of Wands, people will, kumbaga i-recognize nila yung effort na ginawa mo. Yung talents and skills na ipinapakita mo. Example, yung iba, halimbawa, meron kang talento sa pagpipinta. Sinasarili mo lang kasi iniisip mo baka walang maka-appreciate. So, you just do it for yourself. And then, may ibang nakakita at nakakuha ka ng compliment doon na, uy, ang galing naman, Gemini. Subukan mo yung ipakita sa ibang tao kasi maganda yung gawa mo. And then, yung support na yun na hinihingi mo galing sa iba or some support na you need, kailangan mo para i-boost yung iyong confidence. And the moment na na-boost yung confidence mo, dun ka lalong mas naging very passionate sa ginagawa mo. And yung passion na yun yung magdadala sa'yo ng success. Yes. People will recognize your work, your talents, your skills, your abilities. They will appreciate. Assessment. You are reviewing your situation. Maaring iba sa inyo may bago kayong pananaw sa buhay. Mas nagiging alerto kayo or seeing things clearly. Child energy. Wow. Ang child kasi, this is about creativity rin. So, you are also exploring your imagination. Wheel of Karma. Fortune. Wow. Divine will. So, some of you, yung mga kaganapan in the next 30 days, ay alinsunod yan sa inyong destiny. So, sabi nga wag mong pigilan. Wag mong i-resist. Just let it flow, let it happen. Yes, you are taking a leap of faith. Naglalakas loob ka na sumubok at gawin na yung passion mo. See? Oh my God. You have the courage that you need. Lakas ng loob na magpatuloy. You are being tested. Have faith and stand in your truth. 'Di ba? So, kung talagang alam mo yung gusto mo, pinaninindigan mo yung mga decisions mo, yan ay may reward for you. Okay? So, that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. Bye!